Good morning, everyone. Check out this chart of EJH, a China penny turd. A couple of weeks ago, sitting up there in the 150 area and just got decimated on huge volume. No filings sitting out there, that at least that I've seen, until July. This is likely some sort of offering that's going to happen, but look at this huge sell-off. The stock is now chilling down here at the 10-cent area. We have a stock like TANH, no news, at least that I saw this morning, up big. RSI stochastics, all in the basement. If this gets any sort of volume traction here, especially with these China stocks moving, this could be a pretty nice little penny runner here in the market. So just a quick chart update, what I'm looking at here on this one, EJH. Logical stops look to be 10 cents. 11, 12 cents, I could see the algo volume just pouring into this thing here, especially hitting the scanners. Bye.